line, ready for the start. They're off in the Preakness. Lonnie was away slowly again. Nyquist had a good beginning, and Uncle goes with him, and so does Awesome Speed. So they surround Nyquist early on. Collected is going up and is close up to the pace. Running in fourth early on. Then Laoban, followed by Abiding Star, who's sitting behind the front runners today. And then it's Stradivari. Exaggerator is a good 13 lengths off of Nyquist, who's head and head up front with Uncle going into that turn. Then Fellowship, and at the back of the field are Cherry Wine and Laoban. The pace is very fast, a 22 and 1 opening quarter mile, so Nyquist is forced to work early here. He's got Laoban on his inside, and Awesome Speed is running in third just behind the leaders. Then Collected, followed by Stradivari toward the inside, who's about 4 lengths off the lead. Laoban is next. Now Exaggerator is down on the inside. Kent DeSormo has him about 6 lengths off the lead, and Nyquist is up front. His nemesis is 5 lengths ahead of him as Exaggerator makes steady progress on the rail. Up front, it is Uncle who continues to cling to Nyquist. Nyquist with a head in front, and on their outside, Awesome Speed. And there's Exaggerator. He's so much closer today after a 46 2/2 mile, and they move for the far turn. Uncle has been pressuring Nyquist the whole way. Awesome Speed is third, Collected fourth, Stradivari, and Exaggerator is right on the rail, and he's 2 lengths off the lead, and Uncle continues to battle Nyquist on the far turn. Exaggerator and Stradivari are both in contention, and now Mario Gutierrez is asking Nyquist for his run, and they're into the stretch, and it's Nyquist in front. His adversary Exaggerator got a jump on him, and he's gone by to take the lead as they come to the 8th pole. It is Exaggerator in front. Now Nyquist switches back to the outside. Exaggerator down to the 16th pole. The gutty Nyquist is coming at him in second, and then Stradivari followed by Cherry Wine. But Exaggerator has turned the tables. He has won the Preakness Stakes. It was very close for second. Nyquist and Cherry Wine were right together, and then it was Laub on the outside, Lonnie, followed by Stradivari, and the final time was 1 minute 58.31 seconds. It was Exaggerator's day today.
Well, the 5th time was the charm for Exaggerator. He had been 0 for 4 against Nyquist today. He hands the favorite his first career defeat, as you see the Nyquist team. As Exaggerator, Kent DeSormo was so confident. Keith DeSormo had confidence in his horse as well. A victory to the brothers, the 2 brothers from Louisiana, who started their professional careers at the racetrack in Maryland, and they come back to Maryland in triumph to take the Preakness Stakes. It was shocking that Exaggerator was so much closer than he normally is.
Well, there was 2 things.